What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Y'all, what's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see we on the road. Y'all see the thumbnail. New pickup on the way. Got Cuzzo with me. We in traffic, rolling, man. So we headed, man, taking a little trip to go pick up the new ride. Got the trailer hooked up, man. I forgot to record all that. Kind of had a whole lot going on. So, man, you know, I said, damn, I got to do the intro. I left my camera and everything, man. I was excited. And we just been chilling and stuff. We was at the house chilling, so I was like, shit, I ain't even thinking about it. But we on the road, man. We got stopped by Summit, too. We're going to make a couple stops and stuff. That's actually where we're going to meet up. I'm going to meet up with the person at Summit called. I got stuff to take back, man. I got stuff to take back. And I need to get all the money I can get back just sitting in there in the office just doing nothing. I was like, man, you got to go. So, I'm going to turn y'all back on in a minute. We're going to finish this drive and get with y'all in a few. All right, y'all. Check it in, man. Y'all see we made it up here to Summit Racing. I got to take stuff back. And we're going to handle the business at the same time. I'm going to go ahead and take care of that. They got a little car show going on. Let's see, I done left the camera. But I'm finna go ahead and get some money back instead of keeping some money out. So I ain't buying nothing today. I'm gonna have to come back up here, man. I might get the rent. I ain't gonna get the rent stuff today. I ain't gonna do that. But take some of this stuff back, man, cause I don't need it. But I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all see it? Made it back. Y'all see the trailer empty? That means the new ride is here. It's here, man. Cuzzo got back. We got back before it got dark, but it's on the way to getting dark right now. So we man, my wife brought me wrong gorilla part. So I'm finna go ahead and reveal to y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what it is, so y'all can see. And we just gonna do a walk around of it right now, so y'all can see what the new ride is or whatever. It's a great car too, man. So I'm gonna show y'all all of that, and then I'm gonna hurry up so I can get everything put up. Now we're gonna make y'all wait because like, man, I was telling Cuzzo, I said when we get back, man, it's gonna be dark. I ain't gonna have time to do it, but I'm finna go ahead and show y'all this thing, man, and we're gonna give y'all a little tour. So before I show y'all, I want y'all to comment below what y'all think it is. Comment below, man. Comment below what you think it is right now. Pause the video, drop your comment what you think it is, and then you can come back and jump back in the comments again. But I'm about to show y'all. Are y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh boy, what is it? What is it? Somebody tell me what is it? What is it? Y'all see the front bumper? Boom! Another one. Jay, you sold a Regal and got a Regal? Yeah, man. Another one. Another one, man. Now this, I got some plans for this. Where you find them at? I don't know where do I find them, man. I got some plans for this joker here, man. So look at it. This joker here is a solid car. Hold on, let me show y'all the inside. Man, no, let me walk all the way around. I'm the third owner of this car. Third owner. Look at the grill. Y'all see the chrome on this thing? This car nice. This car nice, man. If y'all know, but y'all got to know I like Regals, man. I like Grand National. Grand National, my dream car. It's just the drivetrain what make it so special. So y'all got to know. Look at that chrome, man. This joker here is Grandma Nana clean, boy. This thing here, brand new bumper fillers. Y'all got to know they about to go see J Hall. Y'all, you say you don't do no cosmetics. Hey, come down at me, you don't do no cosmetics. So, hey, y'all wait and see what I do with this. Ooh, wait, I promise you. Jay, you sold a Regal to buy another Regal? Man, I got plans, man. Look at it. Look at the glass. Y'all see that? Y'all, you got to see the car in person. You got to see the car in person, man. Look, I'm telling you, man, Grandma Nana clean. Oh my goodness. This the Regal version of R&B. Y'all know how clean R&B is, interior. This it. I ain't touching nothing. Do you see something hanging? Ain't nothing hanging. Man, how many cars you see still got the functional rear view mirror adjustment right there? Everybody else thing broke. Look at the light. Flow lights. Dome light. Check. Trunk light. When I say I got some plans for this, I got some plans for this, man. This joker here is clean. I'm talking about Grandma Nana clean, man. This joker here is clean. I got some plans for this. What the gauges is? Oh, let's close the door. We ain't talking about the gauges right now. But anyway, this is it, man. This is the new ride. This is the new pickup, man. Yes, indeed, another Regal. I sold a Regal and got a Regal. But when I say I got a vision for this, y'all know when I pick up a car, when I be done found a car, I already got a plan for it. Let me get that thumbnail. When I pick up a car, I already got a plan for it. And when I saw this car, I had my mind made up. Oh, I'm gonna buy that. I'm gonna buy it. When I found this one, I got in contact with who I need to get in contact with. And I said, hey, I need that. I need that. And made it happen. Hit Cuzzo up. Hey, Cuzzo, we gotta take a trip. Shit, say no more. He's on the way. He came, man, and this is what we got. Let me go ahead and take a picture for Facebook, man, cause y'all know I'm going up on Facebook tomorrow. You on my Facebook, man? Y'all got to get on me and Cuzzo Facebook. We'll be going up. But this new pickup, I got some things it need immediately. It need a set of tires, like ASAP Rocky. It needs some tires, ASAP Rocky. All of them, all four. So I'm finna get on that tonight. What kind of tire you putting on? I'm keeping it. I love baskets. I love baskets, man. You just don't normally find them in this good a condition. These things are clean, man. I'm going back with white walls, same look, and yeah, that's what it gonna be. But what y'all see? Look, the emblem ain't tore off. What do y'all see, man? When I get this thing over there to J Hall, what we gonna do with this? Y'all see the body? It's solid. It's solid. This ain't gonna take nothing to paint. This ain't gonna take nothing to paint, man. I don't have to buy nothing. I ain't gotta buy no chrome and stuff. This joker here fresh out the garage. I ain't got to buy none of that. Look at the top. That's what Colo said. Somebody put a top on this joker. Look at the top. Ain't no rust in there. Garage. Ain't no rust in there. I got some plan for this Regal Limited, man. Oh boy, I can't wait. We're gonna roll with this one. Wait till y'all see how I come this year with this. This year, wait till y'all see. I told y'all, man. I sold one. I done sold two, really. I sold them, man. And then we came back fast. I told y'all the yard looking thin had to re-up. I said the yard looking thin, man, trying to re-up. And we back already. I'm going to get the tires, handle all the paperwork stuff, get it straightened out. And then we're going to roll, man. Jay, can we hear it? Not today. Not today. Is man, I got to get stuff put up, man. We've been on the road. We done went to Summit. And we done did everything today. We just been on it. So I'm finna put this joker up. I kept the car cover. So the car cover that was on Haven going on this. Perfect fit. Perfect fit. So y'all know we got some coming. I gotta pop the hood for y'all, let y'all see on it all that. I'm gonna give y'all a official full tour, but I ain't about to do all that right now. I'm gonna give y'all an official full tour, but this car here is so solid. I'm telling you. Man, what you think about it, cuzzo?
I love it.
Man, that's what he said. Soon as we got out, he like, man, this joker clean. But when they pulled up, he like, man, this joker clean, man. But it really is a nice car, man. Y'all just look at this. I'm telling you, it's the Regal version of R&B. That's all it is. It need a windshield. And I hate to take that out, cause look at this. You don't see them with that old school sticker in there like that. That's the old school sticker. But I'm gonna hit my people up. Big lat. I get a windshield put in and some tires. I got to have some tires, man. You can't drive this joker. Yeah, I got to have some tires, man, cause it bad. It bad. It needs some tires bad. I'm gonna put them fresh white walls on there and put them baskets right back on there. We're gonna ride like this. I'm talking about picking up kids from school and everything. But when I put that paint on here, y'all wait. Y'all wait. Y'all see how I got down with brown coat. When I put that paint on this, oh my God, it going down. We in traffic. We in traffic. Y'all seen me and Cuzzo just in traffic the other day. Part 2 coming. Nah, we on part 3. That was part 2. Part 3 coming. Yep. We gonna continue. We on part 3. Yep. We gonna continue this. Like when Mike get back up and stuff, y'all gonna see part 4. So you don't know where it's gonna pop up. It might be on mine. It might be on his channel. I ain't put them on the end. Part 1, part 2. Man, we gonna tear the block down. We gonna tear the block down. Then y'all see me, Cuzzo and wife in traffic. It's gonna be a G-Body festival. We're gonna have a G-Body festival, man. But nah, man, this a nice car, man. This right here is it's nice, man. Like y'all really do gotta see it in person. It's nice. I'm just talking junk, but it really nice. It's a nice car, man. But I'm finna get this joker put up. It getting dark fast. Finna back the trailer up. Oh yeah. Look at them doors closed.
Man, hey, very round here, this help.
Yeah. I thought, man, Grandma Nana clean, man. Oh, and don't no air coming here. Ain't no air. You know how you hear just a little seepage? No air coming in this joker. I'm telling y'all, man. No air at all. Joker here nasty. Clean. Nasty isn't it clean, what I'm saying. Look at that, man. I ain't put no deck, none of that. R&B. Regal version of R&B. I said, I found it. So, yeah, that's it, man. They're going to wrap it up. So, I appreciate y'all. I'm going to catch y'all later. BCG. We out.